for ant. B for baboon. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F is for fox. Fox. G for giraffe. I for iguana. Oh, that's a jaguar. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Roar. N for newt. N for newt. O for owl. Hoot. Hoot. P for penguin. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella bird. V for vulture. V for vulture. W for whale. Whoa, whale. X for X-ray fish. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.